answer here on question number C. Why did it seem as if the whole of India was walking with them? Okay, why? Because the answer is the Indian people had supported Mahatma Gandhi's decision to defy the salt law and making salt themselves. Therefore, as the procession passed each and every village, large number of people joined Gandhiji in the march. So it seemed as if the whole of India was walking with Gokul and Dhani. So had also joined the march. See, this was the moment when each and everyone was joined, and the same we can see, we can imagine in our minds how it was happened. The next, answer these questions. So we will do question answers. Question number 1 is, what was law regarding salt? What was the law regarding the salt? The answer is, I am telling my answers. You can write your answers also, but it should be correct. Okay, you can send it to me so that I can check and make them correct if not. The answer is, the answer of the question 1 is, the law regarding salt was that Indians were not allowed to make salt by the British government. The Indian populace was too busy buy salt from the British government. Means each and every Indian wants salt, and they used to buy salt from where? Obviously from the government, and the government was the Britishers at that time. They formed a government, and even the poorest peasant had to pay the salt tax. So this was the problem. Okay. Next question is, describe Gandhiji as the boys saw him. Means his appearance. How was he? Now just can you imagine Gandhiji? Grandfatherly look. Key points. Grandfatherly look, wearing round spectacles, thin body. Okay, walking on a stick. So now the answer is, to the boys, Gandhiji looked like a benign grandfather, kind. He was thin with a bald head, wearing a short white khadi dhoti with a large khadi shawl wrapped over his torso. He had a small grandfatherly face and was wearing round spectacles. He was leaning against a tall walking stick, leading the procession at a brisk speed. Next question, how did the man estimate it would take Gandhiji to reach Dandi? So he had calculated. Okay, so how did the man question number next, that is third, how long did the man estimate it would take Gandhiji to reach Dandi? Okay, he calculated. Now remind the incident when he just calculated and told. Now the answer is one estimated, like one of the men of the marchers estimated that it would take Gandhiji and followers 3 to 4 weeks to reach Dandi, as the distance between Sabarmati and Dandi was about 385 kilometers. Next question, why did the villagers return to their village? Why did the villagers return to their village? Yes, according to Gokul's father, because whatever we come to know, it was from the Gokul's father. So the answer will begin from the according to Gokul's father, the villagers returned to their village because Gandhiji did not want them to leave their work. Besides, at every village and town, there would be other marchers who would take their place and continue the march. So this was the answer for the question. Now here we have done answer these questions. So next, first of all, we will do this word study before think and answer. Word study, think and answer is to think and then answer. So you solve it yourself and send to me. Now word study. What is there in word study? We will do this exercise. There are many words in English which have come from Indian language. Like Gandhiji was fast asleep on a charpoy under the shade of a tree. Indian languages, charpoy. Is it not in English? Okay. The word charpoy has come from the Hindi charpai. Can you find more of such words? Okay. More of such words. So now we are going to work on it. Here it is. Now, given below are some English words. These words have synonyms that have come into English from various Indian languages. Can you identify them? Okay, here it is. One is forest, and the answer is jungle. Next is house. Next is house. What can be the word for this? House? Yes, it is bungalow. It is bungalow. And next is boat. Boat is dinghy. Boat is dinghy. Have you heard this word? No, I even I heard this for the first time. Dinghy. Okay. Then next is bandit. Next is bandit. Answer is dacoit. Answer is dacoit. In Hindi we call them dakat. So that is dacoit. Fifth is rob. Fifth is rob, means to rob. It is loot. We used to say na loot liya, like. Okay, so that is loot. Next word is Gandhiji. Next question is Gandhiji walked on foot. One can ride a bicycle, drive a car, or take a train. Fill in the blanks with ride, drive, or take. Okay, so here we are going to do. One is Tuhina prefers to blank a bus to work rather than blank a car. Okay, Tuhina prefers to take a bus to work rather than drive a car. Next is you never forget to blank a bicycle once you have learnt it. You never forget to ride. We ride bicycle. To ride a bicycle once you have learnt it. Would you like to blank the metro to go to university? Would you like to take the metro? Next is my mother can blank a truck. So truck and these four wheelers are, you can say, drive. We drive it. So my brother, not mother, my brother can drive a truck. Okay, next is it feels great to blank a horse. What we did with horse? It is ride. It feels great to ride a horse. Okay. So here a dictionary, you have to use a dictionary in the next question. A dictionary tells us how much more than just the meaning of words. It gives us all or some of the following information about the words. Like what? Alternative spellings, other meanings, antonyms, different forms of the word, pronunciation, plural form, parts of speech. So these all information you get from the dictionary. So now we will move to the next exercise in the next video. Resume to the next video. Thank you. Keeps on studying, keeps on doing work. Send your work. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.